Welcome to the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast. Our podcast goal is to bring you information and inspiration on achieving your full potential. Our podcast comes out every week on Wednesday morning. Each episode focuses on developing the mental toughness to succeed in life, business, and athletics. We define mental toughness as the ability to move forward under pressure. We will discuss how to use the 5 P's to developing the mental toughness and help you prepare to find your dream job, establish lifelong goals, and develop the mental performance to succeed. I'm Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and I have 30 plus years of experience helping others develop their mental toughness so they can achieve everything they want in life. I have developed several startup companies from the ground up, along with being a business and physical education teacher and a head football coach at the high school here in Florida. I use all that experience to help others move forward towards success. My passion is to educate and inspire people to reach their full potential. So let's get this podcast episode started. Well, good morning to you out there, Move Forward Nation of listeners. And I thank you for downloading this most recent episode of our podcast, Mental Toughness by Coach P. This is episode number 1438. And today's topic of discussion, self-discipline, the practice of getting things done. Yes, folks, if you listen to our words of encouragement, which I encourage you to do, you can get them over on our YouTube channel. It's Coach P, Jim Pusateri. There is a link in the show notes below. These are 1-minute videos. They come out every Monday through Friday. And it's a 1-minute video on to help you get motivated to win your day, to learn the concepts of mental toughness, that ability to be able to move forward under pressure. What we're doing, or that this week and the next few weeks, is breaking down some of the components, some of the concepts of mental toughness. You know, we believe that mental toughness is that ability to be able to move forward under pressure. Yes, we want to teach you how to establish mental toughness so you can achieve everything it is that you want to achieve in this world. Once again, be sure to listen to our words of encouragement, the 1-minute videos, Monday through Friday, over on our YouTube channel. Coach P, Jim Pusateri, or hit that link below. Some of the things we discussed over on our words of encouragement videos this week, some of the components of mental toughness, because mental toughness is a broad and important concept. It's often discussed in the context of sports, business, and personal development. Some of the topics related to mental toughness, and we hit on these again in our words of encouragement, and we will be doing that again all next week. Number 1, resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks, failures, or difficult situations. Techniques to build resilience, such as reframing, negative thoughts, focusing on solutions, and learning from experiences. 2, self-discipline, the practice of consistently doing what needs to be done even when motivation is low. Strategies for developing self-discipline, like setting clear goals, creating routines, and holding oneself accountable. Number 3, focus and concentration, the ability to maintain focus on a task or goal despite distractions or challenges. Tips for improving concentration, such as mindfulness exercises, time management techniques, and minimizing distractions. And Friday's words of encouragement was stress management, or will be stress management, techniques for handling stress effectively without letting it overwhelm or derail you. Yes, you don't want to derail your progress. Practices like deep breathing, meditation, physical exercise, and time management will help with stress management. Again, these are just a few of the concepts that go into mental toughness, to gaining that ability to be able to move forward. And we'll be putting out 1-minute videos on each of these topics throughout the next few weeks. Today's topic of discussion is self-discipline, the practice of getting things done. Yes, folks. We hit on that, I believe, on today's words of encouragement. And it's the practice of consistently doing what needs to be done even when motivation is low. It says there's some clear strategies like self-discipline, but setting clear goals. That's my question to you. Are you a goal setter yet? Do you have a written plan of action for your life? Do you have a blueprint? So when things go wrong and there's setbacks in life, you know where you left off and you can pick right back up instead of starting over? That's the difference between dreamers and goal setters. Because goal setters achieve, and dreamers are still dreaming, and 10 years from now, they have the same dreams. Yes, you ask them 10 years from now, they'll have the same dreams because they never did anything to accomplish those dreams. They never built that growth mindset. And a lot of people believe that the growth mindset is something that you're born with, and it's absolutely false. A growth mindset is the belief that intelligence, abilities, and talents can be developed through effort, perseverance, and learning. It is the belief that one's abilities are not fixed, but they can be improved over time with dedication and with practice. Folks, we got a great booklet we put out. It's called The 5 Ps to Success. You can get that 5 Ps, and it'll help you develop your mental toughness. You can get that booklet for free. Just go over to the show notes below and hit that link, and we can't wait to send you out the 5 Ps to Success. Hey, we're going to take a short break right now. I want you to hear about one of our great master classes, Mindset, how you can reframe the negative thoughts in your mind. And when we're going to come back, we're going to talk about some new habits. That's all part of this self-discipline. And we may even peek into some positive thinking patterns. So we will be back in a short minute. It's ready, our latest training course, Mindset, Developing Your Mental Performance. Has your mental game limited your training and performance? Do you struggle with self-doubt and confidence? Is it a constant struggle to maintain balance between your training and other aspects of your life? Let us help you gain control over your mind and thoughts. Our Mindset Developing Your Mental Performance course features 19 lessons and how-to videos showing you how to develop the mental toughness to succeed, the ability to move forward under pressure. This course takes you from how the mind works to self-improvement in developing a positive mindset, improving your concentration, self-confidence, establishing success habits, along with self-discipline and time management lessons. There's bonus lessons on leadership and character skills development. For additional information, hit the link in the show notes below or go to our website at inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Get this exciting course today, Mindset, Developing Your Mental Performance. Hey, Coach P here, Jim Pusateri, and we are back at Inspirational University, the home of the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast and book. Yes, folks, the book is out, Mental Toughness by Coach P. You can get it over there at Amazon. And we appreciate everyone who supports this podcast and our book. Today's topic of discussion, self-discipline, the practice of getting things done. Yes, folks, self-discipline, the practice of consistently doing what needs to be done even when motivation is low. Strategies for developing self-discipline, clear goals, creating routines, and holding oneself accountable. A routine, folks, is nothing more than a habit. And I'm going to give you a couple of tips here on how you can establish these new habits. You need to start with a few small habits. You cannot change years of bad habits overnight. You need some small successes to keep the motivation moving forward. You need to learn to write down the new habit and create a why, a reason for the new habit. Plan to succeed and be sure to write down all the benefits of creating this new habit. Habits are daily routines. You need to commit to them each day. If you change your habits, folks, you will change your life. Perform the habit for 30 days, and it will become an automatic response daily. Habits should relate to making you better and achieving your goals in life. And remember, folks, if you slip, if you have a setback, you just start over. 30 days in a row creates the new outcome. Don't quit when things get hard. You want to change your habits? Then change your life. Yes, folks, you need to adopt positive thinking patterns. Some of those patterns are, you got to practice gratitude in your life. You got to focus on the things that you're grateful for in your life. This helps shift your mindset towards positivity. You got to challenge those negative thoughts you get each day in your mind. When negative thoughts arise, question their validity and replace them with more positive and realistic thoughts. And learn to surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who uplift you and support you. Avoid those negative environments or toxic relationships. Folks, they say you become just like the 5 people you spend the most time with. Look around. Are you spending your time with positive individuals so you can reach your full potential? Today's topic of discussion, self-discipline, is the practice of getting things done. Are you getting things done? Are you a goal setter? Can you tell me where you're at? Is it the fourth quarter or the first quarter? Are you winning or are you losing? If you can answer those questions, you probably became a goal setter and you're well on your way to achievement. Hey, I ask you all the time to please pay it forward by spreading this podcast, our content, and our social media sites all over your social media sites, so together we can help everyone reach their potential. Remember, folks, we got our book over there on Amazon. You can get it by hitting that link in the show notes below. But hey, if you're struggling with something or there's something you'd like to discuss on this show, you can drop me an email at coachp@inspiringthem.com. That's coachp@inspiringthem.com. As always, love to hear your feedback and the rankings you give us over at iTunes. Those 5-star rankings do help promote this podcast around the world. If you want to further today's discussion, we do have a community forum board. Just hit that link in the show notes below, and we can't wait to further discuss mental toughness with you. Hey, this is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and my passion is helping others reach their full potential. By moving forward towards success, by helping them develop the ability to move forward under pressure. So how can I help you develop the mental toughness so you can reach your full potential? Let us know now, folks. Today's topic of discussion, self-discipline, the practice of getting things done. Let's get out there and let's get these things done. Become that goal setter and move forward. Have a great day. Are you looking to live an amazing life, a life full of motivation and fulfillment? Then you must master the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. We've developed 3 great master classes so you can master those areas of your life. The first one is Dream Job, Finding Your Life Passion. This self-improvement master class helps you find your passion or your purpose in life and shows you how to make it your career so you never have to work a day in your life. The second master class is Goal Setting. This self-improvement master class teaches you a step-by-step process on how to establish lifelong goals and master these 3 phases of achievement so you can achieve everything it is that you want in this world. And the third master class is on mindset, mental performance. This self-improvement master class develops your mental performance. It teaches you that mental toughness that's needed to succeed, that ability to be able to move forward under the pressures in life. Learn to control your thoughts, and you will control your life. You can now get all 3 of these great master classes for the price of 2 just by hitting that link in the show notes below. For additional information on each class, you can also hit the link in the show notes below or look us up over at our website, which is inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Remember now, get your great 3 master classes for the price of 2 today. We are pleased to announce our book, Mental Toughness by Coach P, Jim Pusateri. Learn the ability to be able to move forward under pressure. It is now available on Amazon or wherever you purchase your books. This book is so important because everyone experiences death, setbacks, and makes mistakes in life. But most people let those setbacks and those mistakes frame the rest of their life. This book is here to help you move past those mental blocks and to learn how to use the 3 phases of achievement to obtain the success you seek. The book is available on Amazon or wherever you purchase books in a paperback or Kindle version. And be sure to check out our podcast, Mental Toughness by Coach P, which airs every Wednesday, wherever you download your podcast. Let's have a great day. Let's move forward.